Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Please do not use this video for as a trading signal, okay? Let's get started. The title of the video is Nasdaq 100 Index. Day and swing trade like a pro in 2015. Nasdaq 100 Index, day and swing trade like a pro in 2015. Let's get started. Professional traders trade around key levels. Ordinary traders use technical indicators such as the RSI, the CCI, and the stochastic indicator. In order to achieve consistent winning trade, one must not violate the market patterns. All right. So, for the Nasdaq 100, which represent the 100 blue chips in America, the technology stocks in America, it is an index that is mimicking or reflecting the average of those 100 blue chip stocks, technology stocks in America. All right. If one is trading the Nasdaq 100, one must identify the key levels and also the current market patterns. Apart from the key level, there are other key levels that we use that we call, equilibrium price level. All right. The first equilibrium price level is that I want to give to traders, which are my own proprietary trading tool, is the long-term equilibrium price level. Traders must not forget this key level throughout 2015. All right. It does not mean that the price will definitely come back to that level, but we need to know where are these key levels so we can navigate through the market. All right. If the price going up, the price looking for a better resistance level. If the price going down, the price looking for a better support level. So as you can see, the Nasdaq 100 has been going up since 2009. All right, it's going up. It's looking for a better resistance level. So if the bullish momentum is strong, we are likely to see breakout. So price reach a resistance level, price will break above the resistance level, retest that resistance level, validate that resistance level as a support level, and the bullish momentum will continue. On the other hand, if the price going down, the price looking for a better support level, we will see what we are likely to see breakdown, price breaking support level, break below the support level, retest the support level, confirming or converting that support level into resistance level, and the bearish momentum will continue. All right. Another thing I need to mention to traders: if the price going up, professionals are paying attention to the high, a new high. It is very, very important that in an uptrend, in a strong uptrend, in a healthy uptrend, the financial instrument like the Nasdaq 100 must display a new higher high. On the other hand, if a financial instrument is going down, the financial instrument must display a new lower low. So in a downtrend, professional traders are watching, for a new lower low. If the financial instrument fails to display a new lower low, it's indicating to us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. It doesn't mean that the bearish trend has finished, but it's telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. For the Nasdaq 100, the long-term equilibrium price level is the pink horizontal line here at 4088. Note it down. That level is critical for traders to pay attention to that level, to monitor the deviation of the price in relation to that long-term equilibrium price level. In October 2015, around that time, all right, I will be recording another video when we will be analyzing the Nasdaq 100 index. All right. So long-term equilibrium price level for the Nasdaq 100 is the pink horizontal line at 4088. The short-term equilibrium price level. The long-term equilibrium price level will remain in place throughout 2015. Very important, so we don't want to forget that. Have a notebook, have those levels noted down, all right? So if you are trading Nasdaq 100, you need to know this key level. You have a notebook, okay? Or you save it on your computer or your smartphone, and you know where is the price in relation to the long-term equilibrium price level. The short-term equilibrium price level for the Nasdaq 100, the current short-term equilibrium price level is the orange horizontal line here at 4379. All right. So these are short-term equilibrium price level for the Nasdaq 100 index will remain in place for the next 2 weeks or so. So it's when we are swing trading and day trading, we want to know where is the short-term equilibrium price level. For me personally, these are my own proprietary trading tool. I want to know where is the short-term equilibrium price level if I am day trading. If I want to invest, I want to know where are the long-term equilibrium price level. All right. So now, for position traders, also it's very important to monitor the long-term equilibrium price level. For day traders and swing traders, all right, it's critical for us to know where is the short-term equilibrium price level. For the Nasdaq 100, for the next 2 weeks or so, the short-term equilibrium price level that we are monitoring is 4379. The price now at 4375, which is near the short-term equilibrium price level. We want to be very, very cautious. So what I would say to trader at this point in time, trader that's a day trading, swing trading, all right, priority to bullish signal above the short-term equilibrium price level and priority to bearish signal below the short-term equilibrium price level. That means sell or buy. It means use a top-down trading method with the trading triangle to make excellent decisions without violating the three market pattern: rising channel, declining channel, and horizontal channel on the signal time frame, on the setup time frame, and also on the entry time frame. All right, it makes sense? This is about Nasdaq 100 index, a day and swing trade like a pro in 2015. So now we know the short-term equilibrium price level, which is at 4379, the price there now. So today if the market opens, all right, today in fact is the 9th of April 2015. So if the market opens today and okay, we want to monitor the reaction of the price around the short-term equilibrium price level at 4379. All right. Don't forget that short-term equilibrium price level if you are a day trader or swing trader. It makes sense? It is also powerful. So we know the short-term equilibrium. There are other key levels that I want traders to note down. The first key levels that I want traders to note down, okay, is resistance level 1. Resistance level 1 in this case is equal to the short-term equilibrium price level, right? So because I said to you that if the financial instrument is going up, it's looking forward a better resistance level. So professionals want to know where are the resistance levels so they can navigate through the market. So the price is going from A to B, or it's going up. So when we approach a resistance level, we stop, we take profit, or we pause, or we secure gains. If we want to buy again, we allow the price to go above the resistance level, to retest the resistance level, to validate that resistance level as a support level, clear and cut, and then we use again a top-down trading method, and we continue without violating the market pattern, buying and selling on the edge, okay, of the channel, okay? Resistance level 2 for Nasdaq 100 in 2015. This is what I like to call the ultimate resistance level in 2015 that all professional traders know and are watching. It's at 4811. You want to know it also, so you don't just trade, day trade, swing trade without knowing where we are. So you know exactly, is it a good place to buy? Is it a good place to sell? Where are we? Okay, so you want to know, all right? So the resistance level 2, which is very, very important level that I want traders to remember, is this our color is now in turquoise, so you can see on the chart, turquoise, my favorite color. Here it is, the turquoise. You see, this is it's near the high of 2000 for the year 2000. The high of 2000 is 4816, but the resistance level 2, which I like to call the ultimate resistance, instead of 4816, I prefer traders to use 4811. So if the bullish momentum continue, and you notice that the price in this zone of 4811, just Stay away for a while, all right? Take profit, stay away from why. Let other traders do the breakout, the retest, and the turn around before you come back again, all right? Ultimate resistance, all right, for the Nasdaq 100 in 2015 that you cannot afford to forget or ignore or disregard, all right, whichever makes sense to you, 4811. If you want it, okay, write it on your fridge, all right, or write it on your door, okay, so your bathroom door, okay, something like that. All right, 4811. You don't want to forget it if you are trading the Nasdaq 100. This is resistance level 2. The greediest resistance, which is which I doubt that you will get there this year. I doubt it, but we want to know where it is. The resistance level 3, which is the greediest resistance or greediest bullish target, is at 5408. 5408. I will explain to you how I get to the resistance level 3. I'm going to the monthly chart, okay? So last year, I draw most of this line except the long-term and the short-term equilibrium price level. So every other line that you see on this chart, I drew them last year when I was recording a video analyzing the Nasdaq 100 index, okay? So what I did was this. You see the range here. So you see the price went down, okay, and then went to retest this level and then pulled back. And when it came here, it found a bit of resistance. So I use, okay, the width of this range. This is my measuring stick for setting price targets, okay? The consolidation, okay, the size of this consolidation here, okay? So I projected first time last year. It's a bit bigger here. Okay, something like that. So this is my measure. The price went above it. If the price goes above it, we project it again. This is what we call market geometry. The second projection brought us to the short-term equilibrium price level that we have today, right here. All right, that's where we are now. So this is a target zone. Even using my measuring stick is equal to my resistance level 1 and also equal to my short-term equilibrium price level. So the level of 4379 is critical level because of the projected channel using market geometry. You see now how the target comes to the short-term equilibrium price level. So do not forget 4379, 4379, okay? And then I project it again for the third time, all right? From here, and it brings me to the greediest target at 5408. That's the red horizontal line here. So we have all the key levels that the professional are watching, but urgently, eminently, we are watching the short-term equilibrium price level, which is at 4379. If you want to be bullish, we want to allow the price to break above that level to find a support and to validate that okay, short-term equilibrium price level as a valid support level, and the price start going up in a rising channel on our signal time frame and also on our entry time frame, and we want to buy on the edge of the rising channel. All right? It makes sense? It makes sense? We are trading the Nasdaq 100. We want to know what are the market leaders. Okay? You're trading the Nasdaq 100. What can influence the index itself? Because the index represents the average of 100 blue chips. But among those 100 blue chips, there are financial instruments that can that have more influence on the index itself. So when those market leaders are going up, the index, the Nasdaq 100, is likely to go up. If the market leaders are going down, there is a high chance that, the Nasdaq 100 will go down, because this is what we call the influencers. Okay, the market leaders are influencers. So you are trading any stock, you want to ask which stock, which sector this stock belong to, which group does it belong to? Does it belong to the Dow 30? Does it belong to the Nasdaq 100? Now you want to know what are the market leaders, what are the influencers. All right, it makes sense? What can change the dynamics of the whole group? All right. What are the dominant force among these 100 stocks of the Nasdaq 100? So for the Nasdaq 100, we know that the Google stock can influence the Nasdaq 100. Apple stock can influence the Nasdaq 100. You want to know more about market leaders? Go to dayprotrader.com, click on Market Watch, and read everything that you can. You have any question? Click on Contact Us and send the question in. Maybe we'll record a better video again, and for everybody, so we can learn together, okay, to trade like a pro. It makes sense? It is also powerful. Let's move on very quickly. So the short-term equilibrium price level is at a 4379. As a day trader, swing trader, we can't ignore that level right now. It's the orange horizontal line on my chart, okay? The long-term equilibrium price level, which we should not forget throughout 2015, is at a 4088. Around October 2015, I will be recording another video, and I will be analyzing again the Nasdaq 100 index. We also have resistance level 1, which is equal to the short-term equilibrium price level in this case. The resistance level 2 is a 4811. Resistance level 3 is the greediest target. Okay, it's a 5408. What I need to mention to traders here is that in 2015, all right, apart from the short-term equilibrium price level, the resistance level 2, we need to monitor that. These are levels we can't ignore in 2015 apart from the long-term equilibrium price level. It makes sense? It is also powerful. And we also have resistance level 3 at 5408. That's the greediest target. We will see whether it's going to hit that level. A lot of video has been posted on YouTube. A lot of articles have been posted on the web about inviting traders to sell stock that the market is overbought. Yes, the market looks overbought, but what I say to traders that are following us, do not get too excited to sell right now because of the market cycle. What I suggest to traders, which you do not have to follow, okay, all right, is this. Be patient, watch the market. If you want to sell, wait patiently, watch the market until you receive a clear-cut signal supported by valid fundamentals. We want to monitor the market around July 2016. All right? So don't rush to sell yet, okay? But be patient. Doesn't mean you cannot sell. If you receive a valid signal on the edge, fundamental supported, okay, great, all right? But myself, personally speaking, I would prefer to be patient until July 2016. All right? Let's go now to the yearly chart. If the price going up, the price might display a new higher high. Critical, critical. So the high of 2014, which you must know, is at a 4347. 4347. The price now 4375. It is above the high of 2014. All right. So what professional will do, they will highlight the high, the median line, and the low of 2014. So the price now above the high of 2014, which is at 4347. Do not forget that high at 4347. You want to day trade, you want to swing trade, because the price now at 437, the price now 4375. The high of 2014 is at 4347. All right, it's quite close to the high of last year. Sometimes the price may go above the high and quickly return back below it. So be very, very alert around the high of 2014. It is above it, which looks bullish, but we want to see a clear-cut bullish signal above that high. We want a validation of the high of 2014. All right? So as I said to you, that high is also close to the short-term equilibrium price level. So if you pay attention to the short-term equilibrium price, the current short-term equilibrium price level 4379, prior to bullish signal above it, that will make sense for us. Break a ball, retest, turn around, price going up in a rising channel, displaying a new higher high, higher lows, higher high on a setup time frame and a single time frame. We are at a resistance zone, and I want trader to remember the current short-term equilibrium price of 4375. Remember the high of 2014, we are above it. The high of 2014 is at 4347. You want to know? So you can navigate through the market. You are driving, as I said 100 times. You want to know where are the bendy curves, all right? The tricky part of the road or the congested part of the road, okay? And then roundabout, so you can navigate through the market. The same thing professional and investor are doing. The hedge funds, the bank, the big institution will not buy or sell in a void. They will always buy around key levels. Decisions are made when the price crosses the high of last year. So we want to monitor what's happening. Trading stock, you must also know how to trade the volume stock, volume indicator, the volume indicator. Go to dayprotrader.com, click on volume stock trading, okay? So you may also know how to analyze the volume indicator, okay? Let's move on. We don't want the video to be too long. So these are the key levels we want to pay attention to. Let's now go back to the monthly chart. This time we want to focus on the market pattern. Remember what I said? One cannot achieve consistent winning trade if one is violating the market pattern on the second time frame, on the signal time frame, and also on the entry time frame. This is a market stable data. Last year, I draw this green channel. It's a rising channel. It's telling us that the bullish momentum is increasing, that we should give priority to bullish signal. So we don't want to sell too much unless we have, if we are selling, in this case, we know that we are, okay, contract trading. We are trading against the trend, all right? All right, so we will be very, very cautious whenever we are selling because we are trading against the current market pattern. So now what has happened? The price went above the green channel. As you can see, I might talking to myself, zoom into it. See the green channel? Okay, now the price is above it. Market geometry, multi-talented trading will project the channel to the other side. I'm going to do it here right now in front of you. When we are talking about Nasdaq 100, so the Nasdaq 100 index went above the previous current market pattern. So it's becoming very bullish. All right, it's becoming very bullish. What I'm doing now, you want to understand, I just project the green channel to the other side. So I'll color this line here. It's my first projection of my green channel because the price went above it. If the price went below it, I'll project it to the downside on this side of the channel. Because it went above it, I'll project it. Okay, the next thing I want to know, if I don't want to draw it, but I want to be aware about it, okay, is the median line of that channel. You remember trading on the edge of and also hot spot trading at stochasticmardi.com, trading on the edge and hot spot trading. Apart from the key level, professional trade on the edge at a hot spot trading zone. You see my median line, the median line of my projected channel for the Nasdaq 100 index. You see here, So that's the blue line here, the blue trend line. You see here, we are on the edge of that blue trend line. So you see, pay attention carefully how I draw it. I measure the width. I don't want to move the width of my first channel. You see, just do it like this, and then I project it there. And then I draw a line that is parallel to my channel. So I have a new green channel at the top. Then I draw the median line. The median line is the middle line of my channel. We can see that the Nasdaq 100 index is now on the edge of our short-term equilibrium price level and also on the edge of our median line. You see? So now we see it. We know that there is a bump on the road. We know that there's a resistance here. So we need to be very careful so we don't just buy right into a resistance level. So it will make more sense if you want. You see this candle here. This is a monthly chart. It's not by mistake. You see the price run fast from the long-term equilibrium price level. Can you see it? Am I talking to myself? You see the pink line? It went from the long-term equilibrium price level, all right, boom, to the short-term equilibrium price level. And they know that there is a resistance here. They know. You see how we project the median line of the horizontal channel first? It corresponds to our short-term equilibrium price level. Okay, so they know there's a resistance here. As the price hit there, the following month, which was last month, you may be wondering why it was going down. It's a resistance zone. Professional took profit. Now it starts going up. If we want to be bullish, so you see the navigation now. Where are the resistance level? Where are the support level? Where are we? Are we on the edge? Are we at a hotspot trading zone? Are we at a conversion point? Check the volume. Apply the trading drill. Apply the trading triangle. Apply the multiple time frame trading method. And just be patient like a cat and be ready for it. Sometimes you may have a losing trade, but you don't feel upset because you do everything right, but the market went against you. You don't cry about that. But if you don't do everything right, or you don't know that we are at the resistance zone, and like last month, suppose last month you were busy buying here, and you wonder what's going on, okay? This is what was going on. So they were taking profit at the resistance zone. You see the median line and also the short-term equilibrium price level. And now we are here. If we want to buy conservatively, like intelligent traders and investors, you will prefer to buy in a bullish zone, this zone here, at least above the high of last month, above 4477, okay? All right, so though we are above the median line 4379, all right, as it's going up, if you start going up from the short-term equilibrium price level, watch out for the high of last month. It's a resistance level also. We can draw online on the chart, so I'm just mentioning it to you now. The high of last month, the month of March 2015, as it's going up now if it's going up from the short-term equilibrium price level, be aware of the high of the March 2015. It makes sense? So with this information, one can trade the Nasdaq 100 index throughout 2015. This is about trading like a pro, using the key levels without violating the market patterns. All right? But you may be wondering, George, we are in a rising channel. Why the price sometimes goes down? The price will go down sometime, even though it's in a rising channel, because the price reaches a resistance level. So when we are buying, the first target is the first near resistance level. We are seeing swing trading on our set time frame, on our signal time frame. The first target is the first near resistance level if you are buying. If you are selling, the first conservative target is the first near support level. We can control the risk, secure gain if you want to stay in the trend without closing the trade, all right? But nothing can stop us to take profit, pause, come back again, reset, and go again. It makes sense? So we see now, with all this information, one can make excellent decisions, whether one's using the TSTW24 or the TSTWS1008, a trading system. Sometimes, trader will see a beautiful setup or a beautiful signal, but the signal is at the wrong place. You may see a beautiful bullish signal, but the bullish signal is at the wrong place. It's not going to work. Or sometimes the signal is great, the setup is great, but you enter the market at the wrong time, during a gap period, for instance, or because there are some other economy news that are influencing the market, or, for instance, swing trader did not pay attention to the market leaders. Suppose Google is at a resistance level, or Apple stock is at a major resistance level, and is capitulating. That may have a negative effect on the Nasdaq 100. So though we are trading the Nasdaq 100 index itself, okay, we keep our right hand eye on the Nasdaq 100, our left hand eye and our left hand side eyes on the market leaders. All right, you understand? So whenever we are trading any financial instrument, we want to know what are the market indicators for this financial instrument. So in this case, we are trading the Nasdaq 100. We are indirectly trading Google and Apple stock. It makes sense? All right, it makes sense? So you want to be aware of it if you are swing trading and day trading. You want everything to align beautifully. Another thing I need to mention here, we are trading the Nasdaq 100. We are also trading the S&P 500, which represent the whole market. The market first, the sector, or the group, before the individual financial instrument itself. This is what we call the trading triangle. This is how professional trading, they use the trading triangle. They watch first the S&P 500, and then they watch the group, Nasdaq 100. Then they pay attention to the individual financial instrument itself, and then they watch the market leaders. They check the fundamental of Google Finance and Yahoo Finance, and they check the economy news relating to the Nasdaq 100 or the financial instrument that they are trading. The reason is professionals always have two watch lists. So today, very often, the difference between ordinary trader and professional trader is this. So ordinary trader will say, okay, today I want to buy, or because the indicator give a bullish signal and everything, they have one watch list, bullish watch list. I want to buy this stock. I want to sell this stock. No, don't do that. Have two lists, one for selling and one for buying. You want to be both ways. Be ready to sell and be ready to buy. So if the music has changed and the bears are dominating the market, you pull out your bearish watch list and you sell. Okay? On the other hand, if you want to sell, okay, you are ready to sell, but you notice that the bulls are dominating the market. Suppose we have a non-farm employment change, and there were more job creation in the United States. The Nasdaq 100, the FTSE, the Nasdaq 100, and the Dow Jones will respond. The market will start going up. You may be wondering what's going on. Everything looks bearish. Technically speaking, okay, you see your gold just set up on the edge. The risk is low. You bank that you're going to sell. But another economy news has changed the dynamics of the market. It's moving the market sentiment has changed, it's going to go up. You pull out your other watch list. This will allow you to avoid fighting the market. Don't fight the market, okay? Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Flow with it, okay? Don't give up the fight, but don't fight the market, okay? You remember Bob Marley? Don't give up the fight, but don't fight the market, okay? All right, let's move on. So the market pattern, we see that we have, it's getting strong, and we projected the channel, but we're on the edge of the median line. If you want to buy, we want to buy on top of the median line at least, and take it from there to, okay, the level of 4811, the ultimate resistance, level 2, all right? You see now? It makes sense? It is also powerful. I know that I need to mention to traders, if the price is in a rising channel, as it is now, okay, and we want to buy on the lower part of the channel. So we want it to go up first to the upper end of the channel and then pull back to the lower part of the channel. That's the lowest, the best place to buy, lower part of the channel, the rising channel. That's the best place to buy. Okay, after the price display a new high, critical. If it did not display a new high before retesting the lower part of the channel, we put a question mark on it. But sometimes the price may display a new high, but if that new high is at a convergence point where traders are likely to take profit, the bullish trade may fail. So you want to be aware. That's why it's very important for traders, essential to use a top-down trading method. This allows you to bail yourself out to see that the music is changing, so you don't end up losing big. All right. The next place trader will buy, if they miss to buy at the best place, which is the lower part of the rising channel, is above the median line. If the bullish momentum is very, very strong, the price will be in the rising channel, but will stay above the median line. You see here, you see the first channel here, it became too strong. The price was riding above the median line of the first channel. All right. So here, the second channel that we projected, as you can see, how you analyze the channel, the market pattern, the Nasdaq 100 index is in a new channel, but you can see that it's struggling to go above the median line of that channel. Though the bullish momentum is still in place, it's not as strong as we will wish, because normally we will prefer it to go to ride the upper side of the channel, which means above the median line. So it's below it now. So we need to be gentle. You see, it went above it, but quickly they push it back below the median line on that channel. All right. On the other hand, if you are selling, okay, suppose the Nasdaq 100 index is in a declining channel. If the bearish momentum is strong, you'll be riding, okay, the lower part of the declining channel, okay. But if it's in a declining channel, but it goes above the median line of the declining channel, we need to be cautious again. Sometimes trader can sell in a rising channel where when the price reaches the upper side of the channel. Sometimes you may see a sell signal in a rising channel, but these are contra trend. You need to be careful. For day trading purposes, one can use that for day trading purposes. All right, but you know that it's a contra trend. Okay, it's a contra trend. Or it's a contra trend. So price is at a resistance level. This is your setup. On your signal time frame, you want to see a declining channel, and also on your entry time frame, you want to see a declining channel. Price at a support level, you want to buy on your signal time frame. So your setup is price at a support level, at a value support level. This is your setup. Now, you want to buy, you go to the signal time frame, you want to see a rising channel, a higher low, at least from that support level. All right? Your entry time frame, you want to see again a higher low on your entry time frame, and then you want to enter the trade on your entry time frame. This is about a top-down trading method. We are talking about the Nasdaq 100 index, a day and swing trade like a pro in 2015. All right, let's continue with our discussion. Now the market pattern we know is a rising channel, priority to bullish signal, but we cannot buy anyhow. We want to buy on the edge in a support zone. All right. It makes sense? It is also powerful. Let's see how long we have been talking now. So 34 minutes so far. So I've said most of the things that I need to say now. Let's look again if I have something more to say. So we look at the yearly chart. We are above the high of 2014. All right. So we must acknowledge the high of 2014, draw it, pay attention to it, and be gentle where we are now, okay? The market pattern is bullish on the monthly chart. If we go to the weekly chart, this is about multiple time frame trading method. On the weekly chart, the same thing applies. We are still in a rising channel on the weekly chart, okay? If we go to the I prefer the 2 days chart, but I know not all traders have the 2 days chart, so I'll go to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, okay, it's still okay in a rising channel, okay. You see the blue channel, okay, and the green channel still apply here. All right, you see them? It's still in place like this. Now, if you come, whenever you change your time frame, draw your line. So on a daily chart, because a lot of swing traders use day trading. The daily chart, I will draw a line like this. What I'm doing here, which I'm going to color now, I'm running out of ocean now. I'll color into red, okay? See the red line? So joining this low and this higher low, we have this red trend line. The price retesting the red channel here, but we are in a resistance zone as we already know, okay? There is a kind of a triangle being formed here. Can you see it? Okay. A triangle. Can you see the triangle? I'll color it, the triangle in red, so you can see it here on the daily chart for the Nasdaq 100 index. You see the triangle now? Okay, there's a small triangle here on the daily chart, okay, which we must, okay, pay attention to. So traders who understand how to trade triangle will know that if we want to buy, we want to see a breakout into this bullish zone here above the triangle. But if we dip below it, it's okay. We will project, you see, the width of the triangle to the downside projection of the triangle. You remember? So if you've done a technical, okay, drawing at school, all right, a bit of geometry, we can just draw a rectangle here, which allow us to see the are you with me? All right. So if you've done a bit of math, okay. Just draw in here on this chart. I'm on the daily chart of the Nasdaq 100 index. All right. So this is the top triangle, and this is the lower part of the triangle. You see this smaller triangle below. So if we dip below it, okay, projection, okay, so be aware of it, okay. I'll remove this line here. I just want to highlight it for you. So you change time frame, draw line. What you are doing, you are analyzing the financial instrument on different time frame. So whenever you, that's why it's so important. You see the setup, you draw your channel, everything that you need to draw, the key level. You change time frame to the signal time frame. You do exactly the same thing. You draw the line to analyze this chart. This is what we call technical analysis or chart analysis. So when we are trading the Nasdaq 100, as I did now from the yearly chart, I'm monitoring the high. Whenever I'm on the yearly chart, I'm monitoring the high, the low, and the median line of the previous year. These are critical levels that I need to know, all right? Now, I'll go to the monthly chart. I want to see the market patterns, all right? Weekly chart, daily chart, market pattern, very important. And then we want to just analyzing deeper and deeper and breaking it down on different time frames. What we are doing, we are seeing a bigger picture from the higher time frame and then breaking it down, zooming into it, zooming into it, zooming into it, until we are ready to enter the trade at the perfect place. The most important thing in trading and in investing is about timing. If you buy at the right time, you will be rewarded. If you sell at the right time, you will be rewarded. If you know exactly when to buy and hold, you will be rewarded. If you know exactly when to sell and hold, you will be rewarded. Suppose you are selling, okay? So the stock is about to go down and you sell. But you sell at the wrong time. You may be taken out before the price will go down. Though you were perfectly right, your timing is wrong. That's why we use a multiple time frame trading method. The trading triangle, also market first, sector, individual financial, market leaders, economy news, fundamentals. This is about timing the market. What we are doing here, we are trying to analyze the Nasdaq 100, okay? And we want to select the best time one can buy and sell, okay? It makes sense? Because the Nasdaq 100 represents 100 American blue blue chip stock, the technology sector, all right? We want to know the market leaders. Google and Apple stock are the market leaders for the Nasdaq 100. Though we are trading the Nasdaq 100, we must monitor Google stock and Apple stock. Are they bullish? Are they in a rising channel? What's happening? We do exactly the same analysis for Google stock. Check the economy news. Check what's happening to Apple stock, the competition, the market share, innovation, and everything. And then we are ready for it. This is how the hedge fund and the big institutions are trading like a pro. All right? So this is what we see on a daily chart. Okay? I'm going to go to one of my favorite time frame, the 2-hour chart. I prefer the 2-day chart, the 2-hour chart. Okay, now you know my secret. All right. So here we are. On the, I'm going to remove my triangle that I've drawn on the daily chart. Okay. So I don't have too many lines on my chart. Looking at the Nasdaq 100 on a 2-hour chart, there is, can you see a new market pattern? There is a consolidation taking place. I don't want to draw any more line on my chart. I just want you to remember that there is a consolidation taking place between the short-term equilibrium price level, which is the orange horizontal line, and the long-term equilibrium price level on the 2-hour chart. You see here, it went up, came back down to the long-term equilibrium price level, went back to the short-term, come back down to the long-term. You see, it's consolidating here. It went above it, above the short-term, only to come back below it. It went above it again, come back again. And here we are now on the edge of the short-term equilibrium price level. So that is a consolidation. So now you see the market pattern on the 2-hour chart, okay? All right? So we can do a projection on that horizontal channel on the 2-hour chart. Target 4647, 4647 on the 2-hour chart. If you find a support above, okay, the short-term equilibrium price level, you can see that traders are selling each time it goes above the short-term equilibrium price level. They sold it here, they sold it here. This is a better resistance to, okay, here, apart from the short-term equilibrium price level. Watch out for this resistance at 4481. It makes sense? It is also powerful. This is the end of this video about Nasdaq 100 index day swing trade like a pro in 2015. In 2015, traders must remember the long-term equilibrium price level at 4088. Apart from the long-term equilibrium price level, day swing traders must acknowledge the current short-term equilibrium price level at 4379. We have resistance level 1, which is equal to the short-term equilibrium price level. Resistance level 2 is at 4811, which I call ultimate resistance at 4811. We must remember that level throughout 2015. The greediest bullish target, which I doubt that it will get there, all right, is at 5408. But before I close this video, I want to talk about one critical support level on the monthly chart. So you can see that because the market pattern is bullish, we were talking about bullish signal, bullish this, a trader will think that they should buy. You do not have to buy. You have to buy and sell. Be ready to buy and sell. Remember, you must be ready to buy and sell. Don't use this video as buy. It's not buy by all means. No, it's about buy and sell, okay? When we receive a buy signal, we will buy on the edge. When we receive a sell signal, we will sell. We are not distorting the market. All we want to flow with the market. But when we want to sell, we want to use a top-down trading method. Find a value setup, switch to a signal time frame and entry time frame. Use the TSCW24 for the TSCW24 day traders. The setup and then first best time frame. Don't change the first time frame. Don't use a different time frame. Use that, okay? First best time frame. If you have any question, please get back to me. Swing traders, use the TSCW008. Setup, signal, entry time frame. Now, there is a support level which I call critical support level. It's at a 3214. Okay, let's see whether I will find a color to highlight for you. A color in blue, no, blue. Okay, color in green. Okay, that's this support here. Why is so important for us? Okay. This is what you see. This is the nut here. You see the platform, a kind of double top here, and this is the nut. I need to mention this because we are talking about 2015, even beyond this level of 3214. If one day Repeat, if one day the Nasdaq 100 goes below this level 3214 and the final resistance below it, the price likely to go down to 2099. I doubt it. The next thing I need to say before I close this video, for the Nasdaq 100 index throughout 2015, if the price comes to this level 3214, all right, it's a very, very important support level. Pause, acknowledge the market, stay away for a while, and come back and see what is happening. It's a very, very important, critical support level. You don't want to forget 3214. The reason why I'm saying this, because I said to you, be ready to buy and be ready to sell. So if it starts going down, the price looking for a better support level, the first support level that we must watch is the long-term equilibrium price level at 4088. If that level fell, the next support level is 3720. If 3720 fell, we are now coming to the critical support level 3214. This is about bearish signal, price going down. Pay attention to the nearest support level, long-term equilibrium price level 3720, 3214. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Nasdaq 100 index day and swing trade like a pro in 2015. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike this video, make sure you give us the thumb down. But please write something below. Put a comment below to let us know why you dislike the video, and this will allow us to improve our recording. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.